ass is too big for this chair.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Isabella. If you're new here, hi, it's nice to meet you. Make sure that you subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up. My channel is mainly about fashion, lifestyle. Today I'm going to be trying on every piece of clothing in my closet and choosing if I want to donate it or if I want to keep it. Let's get right into the video. First shirt, of course, is what I'm wearing. It's from Hollister. I've had this for a while now. I think it's just really cute because like this is like super elastic at the bottom. I really like this tube top. I really liked tube tops lately. I just love the pattern and I think it's really cute. This is from American Eagle. I just really like it. Of course, this is the annual Old Navy shirt and they always have these on sale during Labor Day or Memorial Day. Yeah, this is from 2018. I have so many other Old Navy shirts like this. Like, there's 3 times out of the year I wear Memorial Day, 4th of July, and Labor Day. So the next thing is this shirt. Look at how long this is. Like literally go down to my freaking knees. I love shirts like this, but it's a little long. I'm probably going to tie it because it's probably gonna be hot too. So I wore this shirt in one of my other videos. I really like it. It's from American Eagle, a basic tank top. I think I'm gonna keep this because I can actually wear this in winter to jean jacket over it, or I could just wear it like this. It's very comfortable and it's nice. Oh, my necklace is backwards. It is an extra. I actually got it from Macy's. I really like it, like the fabric. It's like a Ralph Lauren shirt. I like how it's white and work with so many things. So don't tap my own page. I think I'm going to have to donate this one because it's just too tight on me. The next shirt is this tank top. It's from American Eagle. Excuse my straps. Sorry, I know. Straps are such a problem. Shoulder. Here's the back. It's like cross. I actually like it. I haven't worn this shirt in so long. It's actually like this is cute, so I'm gonna keep it. And the next shirt, this is actually from Hollister. This is the whole thing. I think I've had this shirt since 8th grade, and I'm gonna be a senior this year, so it's like 4 years. That's crazy. That's still huge on me. Oh, look at that. But yeah, the length is good. I really like it. I actually really like this shirt. I like this. Like, I think this is so cute. I think I wore this in my last video. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I never do. I really like this top on it. This is the back. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I really like this color myself too. Like, girl. It's from American Eagle. It's kind of like the other gray one I have. I really liked it because it's tank top and I can actually breathe in my armpits, which is nice. Yeah, here it is. It's really cute. I think I wore this in one of my other videos, but I really think it's cute because like it has like the shoulders showing and this is the back. It's plain. It's cute. And I really like it. The thing I don't like is like I think I got bleach on it. Oh god. It's from American Eagle. This is the front, the back. I really don't know how to feel about it because why does it feel weird? It's kind of see-through up here. Like you can kind of like see my bra through it. It's kind of like creepy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. This is the next shirt. This is from American Eagle. It's like the black one I showed earlier. I really like it. These are the dark shorts I have on. I think this looks cute like that. Nice. Don't make fun of me. Thanks. Shirt. It's just a simple tee. Of course, you know, Aeropostale. This is very tight in my arms, so I'm guessing this is from like 6th grade. So I think I'm gonna donate this one. This shirt is from American Eagle, I believe. It's just a simple tee. I don't really like it. Oversized tee, I'll have that. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about this one. I think I'm gonna donate this one. This is just like a basic Vans shirt. It is so tight. It is so tight on my arms, dude. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna donate this one. My mom got me this shirt from like 2 summers ago. The pocket. It's Ivory Ella. This is the back. I'm gonna keep it because it's cute. So this is the next shirt. It's from American Eagle. It's a basic tee with like flowers and stuff on it. So I think I'm gonna keep it because it's very stretchy material. This shirt's from Hollister. My arms are suffocating right now. I think this shirt's from 6th grade. It's like rising up my arms up because my bra. Like I don't like that. Like I'd rather just stay in like one place. I think I'm gonna donate this one just because it's a little tight and I can't really breathe. This is my next shirt. It's Tommy Hilfiger. I think I got this at Macy's. It's just like a pink, cute shirt. I think I was gonna get the yellow one instead, but I actually like the pink better. I think I'm gonna keep this one just because like it actually didn't fix these sleeves, didn't help me. I like this. I think it's cute. Okay, so I really like this shirt. It's from American Eagle. It's just like a black shirt. I don't know how I feel about this. Like this is huge on me. My arms are a little tight. It's from Kohl's. This is the back. I actually think this is cute and it fits good. I think I'm gonna keep this shirt. This is the next shirt. It is from Hollister, I believe. Why run when you can walk? I'm gonna keep it. This is from American Eagle. There's also a white one in this, but I actually think it's really cute. It's stretchy and I always wear this. This is so unique, the neck. This next shirt is from American Eagle. I really like this shirt. Just a standard back off the shoulder. Definitely gonna keep this. This next shirt obviously is from Aeropostale. I like this. It's a tee, I think. I'm gonna donate this one because it is so tight on my arms. I actually like this shirt. And it's like kind of croppy, but like I like the pattern. I think it's like unique and I think it's cute. Okay, so this is the next shirt. It just says don't underestimate me. I think I wore this first day of freshman year. I think the message is good. I don't really like it. I also think I'm gonna donate this one. So again, this is kind of like a shirt I can wear 3 times a year. It's just a basic tee. It's cute. I think I'm gonna keep this one too. This is my Birds jersey. Philly. I'm definitely gonna keep this because it's huge on me. I'm wearing it like 400 more times. I'll probably fit like shoulder pads in here. Oh. This shirt's from American Eagle. It's just a basic shirt, a lettuce cut. I think I'm gonna keep this shirt because like I actually like it and it fits very well. This shirt I think is from like the Disney store. Just as a standard Mickey on it. As much as I love Disney, I think I'm gonna donate this shirt. Okay, so this shirt's from Hollister, basic tee. I think I had this in like 6th grade. I'm gonna donate it because it's like super tight here. I don't like that, and I don't like this. Bro, I had this shirt for 6 years. She needs to be cleaned out. It's just a regular shirt from American Eagle, standard tee. I think I'm going to donate this one because it is so tight on my arms. From Aeropostale as well. Standard tee. This is like actually one of the tees I like. I'm going to keep it. It's a standard shirt from Aeropostale. This is the front and then this is the back. Oh my god. I think I'm going to donate this shirt because it's like very tight here. This next shirt is from Aeropostale. It's cute. I'm going to keep it though. This is just a solid army green shirt from Hollister. It's cute. I'm going to keep this because it's a solid color. Next I have my classic Ron John shirt. Front, there's the back. I love this shirt. I'm definitely gonna keep this shirt because I can literally wear this all the time. It's just another basic tee from Aeropostale. The front, that's the back. I'm definitely gonna keep this shirt. Like, it's not tight on me yet, and I actually like it. This is my next shirt. This is Yeah You for like 16 candles. Maybe my mom got this for me. Got this shirt for me for my 16th birthday because of 16 candles. Get it? I actually like this shirt. I think it's so cute. It still fits me, so probably just gonna turtleneck, plain black shirt. This is from American Eagle. I really think I can wear this with a lot of clothes. I'm going to keep it. Also, it's like super big on me, so like I still have room. Here's the next shirt. It's just from like the Disney store. From Kohl's, I'm not sure. It's just a Little Mermaid Ariel basic shirt. I still love it, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, and I love my Ariel, so thank you. Here's the next shirt. It's just basic white. It's from the Rolling Stones shirt from Manique Here. I think I wore this for really first day of sophomore year. I'm definitely gonna keep it because it's still like big on me. Next shirt is from Old Navy. It just says Holy Grape on it because holy crap. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt because I can wear this with like, I really think it's cute because like it's still big on me and I like it. Here's the next shirt. I believe this is from American Eagle. I think this is like so cute, like the arms with belt sleeves, and I like this. I don't really like this though. I'm definitely gonna donate this. Next shirt is from Pink. It has a little pocket here. That is the back. I'm definitely gonna keep this shirt because like it's still big on me and I really just like it. The next shirt, I like the style on the top. I'm going to keep this shirt. I really like it. It's cute. And this is the next shirt. It is just like a Vans shirt. It's like a baseball tee. I'm going to keep this shirt just because like it still fits me and I think it's still cute. This is the next shirt. It's just like a basic sweater. It has little zips at the end. Really like the color of it. I think it's a little too tight on me. Like it was really hard getting it on. I'm going to donate this one. This is the same sweater as the last one. Again, it has the zip tie things on the side and back. Again, like this is like the same size as the other one I just had, the tan one. It's very tight on like my arms. The next shirt, it's an Ivory Ella shirt. Has on the side, the back. I love it. I'm definitely gonna keep this. The next shirt, it kind of has like cute little sleeves to it, little tassels. A very light shirt. Like I'm kind of concerned as to why I haven't worn it to school. It actually is so cute and like it fits me so well. And the next shirt I have for you guys is this Ivory Ella shirt. It is kind of like the one I had earlier. I really like this shirt. It's super comfortable. This shirt's from Tommy Hilfiger. It still fits me nice, so I'm definitely going to keep it for now. Next I have this American Eagle shirt. It's like a reddish orange. This is the back. I don't really like the neck. I am going to donate this shirt just because of the sizing. This is the next shirt. It's just a cute long sleeve from Pink. I really like this shirt because it's so comfortable. I'm going to keep this shirt. I really like it. And the next shirt, I got this from Hollister. I really like the bell sleeves on it. That's the back. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt just because I love it. The next shirt I have is this shirt from Pink. It has red flowers on the side. I really love it. It is so comfortable. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt just because I love it. This next shirt is just from American Eagle. It is a tan long sleeve. I could dress it up. I really like this. I really love it. It's long and comfortable. I have this tan long sleeve from American Eagle. I really like it. This is the back. It's just plain and the sides are slid off. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt just because it's so big. I have this long sleeve. It is from American Eagle. It's just a basic maroon long sleeve from American Eagle. Then this is the back. I like it because it's a different back feature. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt. Next, I have this cute maroon long sleeve. It is oversized, which I love. I'm definitely going to keep this just because it's so big and so comfortable. The next shirt I have is just a plain long sleeve. It is blue. I got this from Hollister. I'm going to keep it. Next, I have this cute shirt from American Eagle. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt just because I like it so much. Next, I have this shirt. It's just from American Eagle. It's a plain gray shirt. I was having problems with the shirts earlier with this type of neckline, so I think I'm going to donate this one. The next shirt, this is just a long sleeve cute ski logo on the front. This is from American Eagle. I really like how convenient this shirt is with like a lot of other outfits and other jackets, so I think I'm going to keep it. The next shirt, this is from American Eagle. The sleeves are different, like you can tie them yourself, make this tighter if you want. I'm going to keep this shirt. The next shirt I have for you guys is just this simple Ron John long sleeve. It has Ron John on the sides. I really like this. I'm going to keep this just because it's so comfortable. Next I have this green, kind of has a hint of black to it, long sleeve. It is from Old Navy. I'm definitely going to keep it, and if I want to dress it up with a cute cardigan. This next thing I have for you guys is this Ron John sweatshirt. It is so cute. If you can't tell, I love Ron John everything. It is so cute and their clothing is just so comfortable. The next thing I have for you guys is just this button up. It is from Hollister. This is the back. I mean, it has good potential like the back with like the style, but I just don't really like the style. I just like the plain. The next shirt I have for you guys is just a plain flannel. I really like this, so I'm going to keep it. The next shirt I have for you guys is just another flannel. I got this one from Hollister. I'm going to donate this one just because it is kind of short on my arms. The next shirt I have is just a long sleeve white shirt. This is from American Eagle. I can literally put so many different like things on top of it, like different jackets and stuff. I'm going to keep it. The next shirt I have is actually from the Limited. I love this shirt. It is so comfortable. I love the sleeves in it. This is the back. I'm definitely going to keep this. The next shirt I have for you guys is just white long sleeve. I really like this shirt. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt. Next for you guys, I just have this black flower long sleeve. This is the back. I'm definitely going to keep this shirt, and I can also, so I paired it with this green vest. I really like this vest with this shirt. I think it's so cute. I'm going to keep this because I love it. Next, I just have this white Under Armour sweatshirt, a pink hood to it. I'm going to donate this one just because it is a little tight underneath my arms. I have this hoodie from Calvin Klein. This is the back of it. I'm going to keep this. I have a sweatshirt from Lululemon. I like the sides because they are slit, so I can wear these with leggings pretty easily. That is the back. I'm going to keep this sweatshirt. Next, I just have this sweatshirt from Hollister. It has a hoodie in the back, the V on here. I'm going to donate that. The next thing I have for you guys is just this blue turtleneck long sleeve. It is from American Eagle. I am going to keep this, but if I want to dress it up, I just pair this with a cute dress. The next thing I have for you guys is just this cute jumper. It's from American Eagle. The next thing I have for you guys is just a cute dress. I got this from Old Navy off the shoulder, which is cute. The next thing I have for you guys is just this cute cheetah print skirt. It goes up pretty high. I got this at American Eagle. The next thing I have for you guys are these pants here from American Eagle. I love them. They're like green army pants. And then next I have these pants there from American Eagle. I love these pants. They're very comfortable and they go up very high. Next, I have these pants from American Eagle. Look how flowy they are. So the next pair of pants I have are just blue regular pants. They're Tommy Hilfiger pants. I love these pants. They are so comfortable. Next, I have these shorts. They are from Old Navy. I really like them. I love the styles that they have at Old Navy. The next thing I have for you guys today is these striped shorts. They are from American Eagle. I really love them. They're so comfortable. These cute blue shorts, they are from Old Navy. I definitely recommend because they are so fitting and they're so stretchy. Next thing I have for you guys is just this gray plain dress. I really love the sleeves on this. It is from American Eagle. Just has a normal back. And it's so flowy. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That was me trying on almost everything in my closet. My brain almost exploded, so I skipped a few things. But if you like this video, make sure that you give it a like. And if you like me, make sure that you subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.